Look what a lovely umbrella I got for my birthday. I got it from my friends from the forest. I have 5 very good friends. Do you want to meet them? A želite spoznati moje prijatelje iz gozda?
Yes.
Yes. So, okay, squirrel, come out. Hello, squirrel.
Hello.
This is my friend Squirrel.
Goodbye.
I also have a friend, Mouse. Mouse. Hello, Mouse.
Hello.
This is my very good friend, Mouse.
Bye.
Bye. I also have a very, very good friend, Rabbit. Rabbit, come out. Hello, Rabbit.
Hello. Hello.
Hello.
Rabbit is also my very good friend. Then I have very, very good friend, Deer. Deer, come out. Hello, Deer.
Hello.
Hello. Hello. And the last one, my almost best friend is a fox. Fox, come out.
Hello.
Hello. Bye-bye. Bye.